Alright, so for a girly, I use this one. I bought this when we were in States. Yeah, when we were in States, and this is my very first um luxury perfume. Yeah, same kami ni Mika and Miss Stacy yata, or yung kay Stacy is binigay niya kay tita. Siyempre, ito dapat yung first ko kasi si Jisoo. Oh my God. But yeah, this is also my favorite brand. Wow, kala mo naman laging bumibili. Pero wala lang, I like their designs. It's very girly din. Oo. Kasi nung nasa airport ako pa uwi na, nakita ko to. When I bought this. So yeah, these are so far ito pa lang yung ko. Hopefully in the future, it will, dadami pa. And parang treat ko na lang din sa sarili ko. And saka kasi na-realize ko, kasi sabi nila talaga, magandang investment na you buy good perfumes. Kasi yun yung parang, especially ngayon, sinabihan kami na we get ko.
Find your own piece of... Ito. I don't know. Hi, Levi. Hi, Levi. Wood sage. Yep, wood sage. And sea salt.
Of course, may pabango. May everyday lang naman to. Everyday pabango. And sobrang bango niya. Bango to, guys. Try nyo. Ito yung amoy ko palagi kapag may training or kapag recording lang, gaya neto.
Cannot show the kalat. It's my favorite perfume. Feeling ko ganito na lang suot ko sa training. Itong jacket na to. Pwede na to, diba?
Guys, I'm obsessed with Versace. There's an insect na naman. Naman. Ano ko ngayon? Sipahin kita eh. Ito eh. Mabango ang Arya. Gusto ko nga rin nun. Pero hindi ko alam kung alin yung mabango nun. May ginagamit hasta ako na Ariana Grande dati. Pero, hindi ko alam yung scent. Ito. Ayan siya. Iyan yung favorite ko sa Versace. Ito naman yung sa Coach. Yan yung favorite ko. Pero maliit lang to.
Go na, I'll say na the brand para malaman nyo yung let me know kung saan meron ito. Binili ko kasi ito sa Singapore. The Moschino Toy Boy. It's my fave scent. Huwag niyo akong agawan ng scent. This is my scent. Sa MOA meron. Oh my God, mag-hoard ako niyan. Describe the scent. It's undescribable. Sorry. It smells maloy, promise. It smells me. It smells,
Contains natural citrus extracts from oranges, giving it a fresh citrus scent and none of the usual kerosene smell. Ano yung kerosene? It leaves no lasting odor. You wanna try? It doesn't! Okay, let's go now to the ingredients. Hindi pala, how to use. How to use. Ooh! Ooh! pumasok sa baga ko. Anyway,